When your furnace is blowing cold air instead of warm, it might be due to a small, fixable issue, or it could be a sign of something more serious. In this video, we'll explore the possible causes and potential fixes for this problem. Hi, I'm Luke from Fire and Ice. As a residential sales professional, I've helped hundreds of Central Ohio homeowners diagnose problems with their HVAC systems. At Fire and Ice, we believe in giving our customers as much information as they need. In this video, we're going to discuss potential reasons why your furnace is blowing cold air. And if you found today's content helpful, subscribe to our channel for weekly educational content. The first place to start is with the brains of your system, your thermostat. Make sure the thermostat is set to heat and make sure the fan is set to auto. The problem could also be with the wiring of your thermostat. If the wires are shorted, losing communication with the furnace, you may need to call a professional. An easy item homeowners can maintain is their furnace filter. Air filters trap dirt, dust, and other contaminants, cleaning the air and helping to keep the ductwork and furnace clean. If they are left in place too long, they become choked, which restricts airflow to the furnace. This causes the furnace to work harder and can cause the heat exchanger to overheat and shut off too quickly. Furniture blocking return air registers can starve the furnace of needed air, causing less airflow and decreased temperatures. Also, if the return air ducts are too small, the furnace will not be able to take in the required amount of air, causing your heater to blow cold air. Before we move on, if you're enjoying this video so far, please like the video and leave a comment. We'd love to hear what you have to say and answer any questions you may have. And did you know we have even more resources on our website? Click the link here to visit our Learning Center for more in-depth information. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content. In a typical house, about 20 to 30% of the air that moves through the duct system is lost due to leaks. Warm air could be deposited in the basement before it has a chance to reach the far rooms of your house. The holes in your ductwork can also allow cold air from unconditioned rooms to enter the vents. And finally, a modern furnace without a pilot light relies on flame detectors to ensure the successful completion of a heating cycle. If the flame sensor is covered in dust, dirt, or grime, you will quickly lose heat and your gas furnace will start blowing cold air. Electric furnaces and air handlers have a similar problem. They create heat through the use of heat strips. If the strips go bad, the blower will still run, blowing cold air. We always recommend major maintenance be performed by a professional to maintain your warranty, for your safety and to ensure the job is done right. But you can do a few things to help solve your own issue. Ensure your thermostat is set correctly and take note of any out-of-the-ordinary performance issues. Change your filter regularly. A clogged filter can result in cooler temperatures and reduced airflow. I hope by now you have a better understanding of potential reasons why your furnace is blowing cold air. If you'd like more information on HVAC systems, click the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, feel free to give us a like and be sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching. We look forward to making your day better.